Welcome back to Web Education, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to generate logos. Yes, logos for free using this AI tool. The first thing you do is when you open the site, this is what you shall see. The site is called Ideogram.ai, as you can see at the search bar right there. Now, when you open the site, this is what you shall see. You will see various images. All these images are created by people, by the way. As you can see, this was created 30 minutes ago, this was created 2 minutes ago, this was created 3 minutes, and so on. Now you just come to the generate option right here, and then you paste your prompt right there. Like mine is, give me a logo for my pet business named YouTube Viewers Pet Rescue. Let the logo have a cat and a dog who are in space. And then over here, you can come and select how you want the image to appear. So I will select mine to be cinematic, all right? After selecting that, just come and click generate right here. Or you can tweak this. Let's say you want the aspect ratio to be 9:16, 1:1, or 16:9. You can come and change, but me, I'll prefer 16:9, all right? And then just click generate. The AI takes 15 seconds to generate an image, but if you want it to generate quicker, you can upgrade and pay their plan. It is not expensive, but you can just wait. The 15 seconds are not long. As you can see, there is our image being generated. Give it some time, and then there it is. As you can see, there is our logo. We have a cat and a dog called YouTube Viewers, as we said on the prompt, with the background of space. There it is. And then if you want to see the image clearly, you can come and click. As you can see, there is our logo. Now, if you want to download it, just right click. Just click on save image like that. If you are, just right click and click save image. Right. Okay, so these are the logos, and then give it, and then you save your image right here, save it. And that is how you create a logo with this site. Okay, you are given only 20 free images per day, so you can only create 20 logos in a day. So use those opportunities wisely. And yeah, enjoy the tool. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And thank you for watching, and good luck.